vision of PDA is to maximise product quality, availability and value by connecting people, science and regulation within the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical community.
Well, this is the first event for 2018 for PDA Ireland chapter, and at the start of the year we did some brainstorming with the committee and we identified hot topics, and one of the key hot topics for this year was cleaning validation.
I'm here representing PharmaLex Ireland, and what I'm doing here today is to talk about general topics on cleaning validation.
We were speaking today on the regulatory requirements within cleaning validation and some of the inspection findings and hot topics.
Putting a face to the name, rather than just emails or whatever, but actually meeting people face to face, very, very important for the future of our business.
It's a great opportunity to network, especially through the PDA and NIBRT.
PDA is really helping the industry to get more information on what is happening from a regulatory perspective and also from the perspective of industry best practices.
Personally, I'm a young professional member of the PDA, which is a sub-part of the PDA. I'm here today to represent the students and young professionals.
I suppose the big take-home message now is that industry actually can share knowledge with each other. We can benchmark, solve issues. So one issue for a company can then be used to solve the issues for everybody else. I think that's what's really important, that we share the knowledge across the board.
So our key takeaway today would be to continue to engage with our customers, to reach out to them and to educate them that we have our new Acugenics facility in Dublin.
I'd highly recommend this event. What I found was it really helped, especially in the question and answers to the people, who worked on the coalface in industry and, seeing the problems that are out there, and have kind of helped us with solutions, and, that's ideal for us as well.
I would highly recommend this event. Actually, when I received notification of the PDA event, I sent it to 2 or 3 of my colleagues who are also in attendance here today. I'm also a member of PDA and I'm always interested in coming to the PDA events.